You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. So you've decided to move to Spain, and now it's time to start planning your journey. In today's episode, we're going to cover everything you need to know to prepare for a smooth transition. We're going to be talking about packing essentials to navigating the Spanish customs. Plus, we'll show you how SDC International Shipping takes the stress out of the logistics. Let's get started. First, let's talk about packing. Moving to Spain is a perfect opportunity to declutter and pack smartly. Here are a few tips. 1. Bring the necessities. Focus on items you need to use regularly, like clothing, personal electronics, and important documents. Spain's Mediterranean climate means you won't need heavy winter gear unless you're planning to live in the mountainous regions. 2. Leave behind. Avoid packing bulky furniture or appliances that might not be compatible with Spain's electrical system. Many homes come furnished, and local options are often more affordable. And 3rd, special items. For valuable or sentimental items, consider custom crating for added protection. At SDC, we provide professional packing services to ensure your belongings arrive safely. Navigating customs can be a challenge, but understanding the basics will save you time and headaches. If you're shipping personal effects to Spain, here's what you need to provide. First, a detailed inventory of your items. 2nd, proof of residency or a visa if applicable. And 3rd, documentation for any high-value items. Spain has strict rules regarding prohibited goods, so double check before shipping items like plants, alcohol, and firearms. The good news, SDC International Shipping expertise in custom clearance ensures your shipment complies with all regulations. This will make the process hassle-free. Once your belongings arrive, it's time to settle in. Finding housing in Spain can vary depending on your city. Here's a few tips. Housing. Start your search online before arriving, and consider working with a local agent to find the perfect home. 2. Schools. If you're moving with children, research international schools or bilingual programs in your area. And 3rd, connect with locals. Join communities and local groups. This will help you make friends and feel at home faster. Learning some basic Spanish phrases will also go a long way in integrating into your new community. Now, let's talk about how SDC International Shipping makes your move seamless. We have professional packing services. Our team ensures your items are packed securely for international transport. We have custom assistants. We handle all the paperwork and ensure your shipments meet Spanish regulations. We have secure storage solutions. Do you need extra time before settling in? Our secure storage facilities in the US and Europe keep your belongings safe until you're ready. And transparent logistics. With our international shipping tracking, you'll always know where your belongings are. SDC takes care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on starting your new chapter in Spain. Preparing for an international move doesn't have to be overwhelming. With SDC International Shipping, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that every detail is handled with care and precision. Visit our website today to get a free moving cost estimate and start planning your move to Spain. Thanks for listening today. Be sure to subscribe and join us next time as we explore life in Spain and what to expect in your new home. Until then, here's to stress-free international move.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.